So today we'll be treating something, we call it how to freeze a particular page, but we'll call it freezing a pane in Excel. As you can see, as I'm scrolling this down, you can see that the top part, which is the row, is being frozen. It helps us actually to give details about the particular row or a particular column we are working on. Like now I can tell that I'm still working on May, or I'm still working on January 5th. So the more I keep scrolling it down, I know the particular thing I'm working on. So we can see in particular, so if I scroll to your right, you can see that this other part of my column is still frozen also. So that's what freezing a pane is. So whatever I start from determines wherever is going to start freezing. So I want to go back to how it is. So back, you can see that this is how it is, or this is how it is in Excel. Normally everything is moving left, right, all the cells are moving. But if you want a particular cell to be stuck so that you get details of that particular column or that particular row you are working on, you can decide to freeze that particular page. For instance, you can see that if I click on this page, if I click on this cell, if I want to freeze the whole of this place, I can just click on this cell. I move up here to my view, so I go to freeze pane. If I go to freeze pane, if I click freeze panes, you can see it says keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scroll based on current selection. So it determines whatever you select. So if I select from here and I freeze pane from here, from this particular cell which I've already frozen, I can say freeze pane. So if I start moving down, I can see that from where I frozen, all have been frozen, and it goes for both the column and the row. You can see from there it's frozen. So if I want to work on this destiny, I can be seeing the details of what I'm working on in particular, so that I don't make mistakes or make errors. So that's what it is to freeze pane. So if I don't want to freeze the whole of that, I can decide to freeze only the top row. Say keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. So if I just click there, we see that the top column is, or the top row is just what is displaying. Yeah, so you can also work same with a column. So if I keep scrolling, or I scroll this way, I can see that the first column is frozen. But most especially I use a freeze pane because I want to get details of what I'm working on. So if wherever I start from, if I decide to start from here and I go to freeze pane, I can see that you can see that that is where it starts frozen from. So I can decide to go there and start from here. So that is where it starts to freeze from. If you notice, I used to unfreeze before I freeze. Okay, so it's frozen now. So from there it's frozen. So if I decide to start from here, now you can see that the whole of this other left hand side is frozen. So that is how you freeze pane, or you freeze a particular page in Microsoft Excel. I hope you love the video and you've learned something from it. If you love the video, please subscribe and share the video. Drop your comment and also like. Thank you very much.